Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, May 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, May 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 11, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, May 11, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 42 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 60 million pesos for May 11, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, May 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.